Welcome. In this session, we'll explore practical steps that can help any newcomer become a successful human resources professional. Whether you're fresh out of college or shifting careers, these insights will set the tone for your HR journey. Human resource management is the heartbeat of every organization. Beyond hiring and firing, HR shapes culture, nurtures talent, ensures compliance, and drives employee engagement. Think of HR as the bridge between people and business strategy, balancing empathy with measurable results. As an HR professional, you'll wear many hats. First, recruitment and selection, matching the right talent to the right role. Next, onboarding, making new hires feel welcome and productive from day one. You'll foster positive employee relations, coordinate training for continuous growth, and safeguard compliance by keeping policies and documentation airtight. Key skills every HR fresher should develop. To thrive, you'll need 5 critical skills. Communication, craft clear, empathetic conversations. Problem solving, calmly untangle conflicts and complex situations. Organization, juggle multiple tasks and records efficiently. Adaptability, stay ahead of evolving HR tech and trends. And finally, emotional intelligence. Read the room, manage feelings, yours and others, to maintain harmony. Tools and technologies in modern HR. Technology is your ally. Get comfortable with popular HRMS platforms like Zoho, Bamboo HR, or Workday. Master applicant tracking systems to streamline hiring and lean on data analytics dashboards to turn HR metrics into actionable insights. Proficiency in Office suites remains essential for reports, presentations, and everyday communication. Building a career path in HR. Start small, aim big. Internships or roles such as HR assistant give you hands-on exposure. Strengthen your profile with certifications, think SHRM CP or HRCI credentials, and never stop networking. Join HR forums, attend webinars, and learn from mentors who've walked the path before you. Challenges faced by fresh HR professionals. Expect a few bumps. Balancing employee needs with management expectations can be tricky. Establish credibility